Hello, good morning guys. It's Thursday and it is still a work day. So very nice sa labas. Kaya I'm gonna get ready, breakfast, black coffee, and ready for work. And look at the outside. How beautiful is the weather? So nice. Kaya pupunta naman ako sa labas mamaya para magbilad. I need coffee. I miss making black coffee, so I'm just gonna make black coffee. Guys, I'm just drinking black coffee at the moment. And ready to start my day. Work. We are so busy working. And look at Molly. It's a hard life, Moles. It's a hard life. Molly's going out. Oh, chung. Molly, out. Oh, look at me. There. Happy sunbathing. Happy sunbathing, Molly. Okay, she'll go sunbathing. That's what she does. What Molly does best. Sunbathing. Oh, it's so lovely. Isn't it, Moles? Isn't it lovely? Guys, it's so lovely outside. Come on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shall go sunbathing. What are you doing? It's so sunny. It's nice. There you go. Yeah. It's the way to do it. Sunbathing. I'm gonna look for a snack. Let's see. Snack time. There you go. I want something to munch. This one. So snackies and orange juice. Yummers. Cheers, guys. Guys, lunch break ko. Mainit sa labas kaya higa-higa tayo. Ay, diba? Lunch break, higa-higa lang. Kasi mainit. Gagawa lang ako guys ng tuna with mayonnaise. Pakita ko sa inyo, dali lang. Yan yung tuna. Tapos lagyan ko lang siya ng mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm gonna add more mayonnaise. And then I just have to mix it. Hugas din tayo plato guys. Ang mga hugasin. Yan, hugas tayo guys. Hugas tayo. Kasi maraming hugas din. Maraming hugas din guys. Kasi dito lang kami sa andito lang kasi kami sa bahay. Kaya yung hugas din walang katapusan. Kaya hugas-hugas din pag may time. Kasi you know. Tumakbo yung asawa ko. Tapos, balik na naman sa work. In a bit. Pag working from home ka, Siyempre, sa bahay ka lang. Kaya, break time. Makakahanap ka talaga ng na may gawain. Hindi talaga siya nagagawa. Kasi lalo na pag full-time work, ako, pag weekend na, ayaw mong gumana, gusto mo lang maghilata kasi nga, work ka the whole week. My husband made me lunch. Eat tuna and cheese melt on a toast. As inside. Yummers, yummers, yummers. Kain tayo lunch. Sarap ng lunch ko. Oh. Gawa ng asawa ko. There. It's awesome.
Vad är det då? Vad är det?
Sugar. I'm filming.
Va?
I'm filming. It's so good. What are you doing? Hey, what are you up to? Kumakain kaya kasi ako kaya nakatingin siya sa akin. Kasi ang sarap na lunch ko. At yan ang aking dinner, guys. So, dinner ako, mangga at saka avocado, tapos chicken. Yan ang aking pad-dinner. Yan, guys. Yan ang aking pad-dinner. So, chicken, yung tira namin kagabi, mango and avocado at konting sweet chili. Yummers, yummers. Let's eat. Guys, katatapos ko lang mag-LS. Kawalan ako ng hot drink. Kasi kailangan namin uminom ng hot drink. At saka na dito, almost 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Kaya thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Kakahilamos ko lang pala. Yung ko, ito sa kakawaiti ko, yung skin ko. Yun yung nag-suffer, guys. Kaya whitey pa more. Ayan, oh. Lumabas na naman siya. At saka ito. Ano to? Bakit? Pero, nawawala din naman siya. Kaya hayaan na natin siyang magwala dyan sa aking mukha. Kasi, yung mukha kasi natin, yung skin natin, mag-change naman siya ng skin, di ba? Kaya hinahayaan ko lang siya mag-renew. Hopefully. Kaya bahala siya sa buhay niya. At saka itong eye bag ko. Kaya, guys, sa mga magwa-whitey, ito pala yung makukuha niya. Hindi yung mga muni-muni dyan, yung ano, ito yung eye bag, yung magdadry yung skin nyo, papangit ka. Whitey pa more. Pero hinahayaan ko lang siya. Naghilamos lang ako ng ano ko, ng Kojic ko, na sabon. Na yung hinihilamos ko, yung ginagamit ko. Tapos yun lang. Hinahayaan ko na lang siya. Hindi ko na siya pinapakialaman. Let it go. Kaya bahala siya sa buhay niya. Whitey pa more.